Hello and welcome to Recipe Chapter. Today, I'll show you how to make the quickest, most satisfying 5-ingredient teriyaki chicken rice bowl.
Short on time but craving bold flavor, this sweet and savory dinner is ready in under 30 minutes. List of all ingredients. You only need these 5 simple, pantry-friendly ingredients for this fast weeknight dinner. Start with 500 grams of boneless chicken cubed into equal-sized pieces for even cooking. Measure out 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of honey add the perfect sweet, sticky element to our glaze. Prepare 2 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced for the savory base. 1/2 to 3 cups of cooked white or brown rice ready for assembly. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, and minced garlic to prepare the teriyaki sauce. Place your black cast iron skillet on medium heat. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your black skillet over medium-high heat. Add the cubed chicken pieces to the hot pan. Sear the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's lightly browned and mostly cooked through. Pour the prepared teriyaki sauce mixture directly over the chicken. Bring the sauce to a gentle bubble. Continue to stir and coat the chicken as the sauce thickens and reduces. The chicken is perfectly cooked and the teriyaki glaze is ready. It's time to assemble. Spoon the warm rice into your bowl. Top the rice with the perfectly glazed teriyaki chicken. Don't forget to drizzle over any extra sticky sauce from the pan and garnish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish is now ready. It's perfect for meal prep or a protein-packed lunch. The sweet and savory teriyaki flavor is completely satisfying and always a family favorite. Get ready to enjoy this quick, delicious weeknight dinner. Thanks for watching and subscribing.